at the moment we're stuck in the Marina. Reason? Very, very high water. In fact, as we fly over the river, we can see it's burst its banks into the floodplains. We're lucky, we're on the boat, we're in the Marina, still got access, but the poor people on the other bank, they're stuck. They can't even get to their boats. So as we look further downstream, we can see the extent of the water. That's looking back upstream again, and again fields around Bishopthorpe, surrounding Bishopthorpe are full. This farmer's got a lucky escape for his buildings. It's a beautiful day though, it's unbelievable the difference between 2 days. Here the water is still actually filling the floodplain from the river. A few days later, let's have another look. We're already a lot lower in the Marina. And we're back to green fields, the river's back in its course. The guys across the water have got access, so they'll be checking their boats out, and people are already running on the river again. Not quite as nice a day, but we'll be out later with the favour grace. It's gone out. It's turned around. It was in the channel. It was almost in the channel. Both waiting each other. I'll go up in front of this blue one. Heading for moorings on Museum Gardens in York. We'd picked a spot just in front of this blue boat, but as we got closer we saw that he was about to move out, so just to give him space we moved a little bit further down. Plenty of space today on here. Many a time on a Saturday afternoon it is chocker down on these moorings. Beautiful spot, but very tight to get in and out on a good summer's day. We gently bring Ava Grace into the Museum Gardens moorings in York. So we've just pulled up on Museum Gardens in York. York Minster Stonemason's Yard workshops for all the repairs that's going on. All intricately hand carved in the old way. Yeah, I've got years of work. Just a nice little parade of little cafes just by the Minster into the city walls. This is on the city walls. That's the outside of the walls. And behind me is the inside of the wall. Nice little walled garden down there. Thank you for watching. Please click the like button, share and subscribe to see more motor cruising on Ava Grace.